Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to remove the published date in Wix Builder. But first, if you have not subscribed to our page yet, please do so because we have tons of WordPress page builder tutorials for you. Okay, so now that I'm done begging for more subscribers, let's get to today's tutorial. So we're removing the published date from your Wix Builder template, okay? So first, let's navigate to the single post template where we want to remove the published date. You have to go to the template option because any changes you make at the template level will carry over to your individual posts, pages that type to that template. So we're going to first demonstrate removing the published date on your single post template, which is the template that stores all your individual blog posts, okay? If you want to remove the date on your archive or category pages, then you would need to edit your archive or category page template. I'll show you how to do that later on too, but first let's start with the single post template first, okay? So once you're in the single post template editor, locate the section that displays the metadata, including the published date. So now simply delete or modify the metadata element, which is responsible for displaying the published date. Of course, from here you can remove whatever else you want or replace the published date with the modified date or whatever else you wish. And just like that, you remove the published date from your single post template. So now all your single blog posts, individual blog posts, will not have the published date on it, okay? So now let's talk about removing the date from your category archive pages. So you do the same thing, go to your template section, navigate to your active category or archive page template where you want to remove the date. So similar to the single post template, locate the section that displays the metadata for the published date. Then delete or remove whatever else you want in the metadata element. And voila, the dates are now removed from your category or archive page templates also. Really, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if you found it helpful, please click the like button, also subscribe to our page and hit that bell too for more about tutorials. And you doing so helps this channel out tremendously because it'll help us reach more people with our tutorials, okay? So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the section below. All right, thank you.